computer thing can do all that.
It's like this
It
thing.
might just
There.
make you wonder.
Off.
Wow.
Now.
Is this for me?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Oh, mean. Yeah, thanks, Molly. Yeah. Kiss me.
That you will love it.
Oh, I love you. I love you.
You
Thanks, Molly.
Because you
Thanks. And what else did you? Where's the card?
Oh.
Oh, yeah, okay, what's my next one you've got me? How Marley will do the cards last, okay?
Yeah,
Okay, Hayes, give me a look. Who picked this one?
Me.
Oh, and you picked the car stuff, Marley.
Huh?
Yeah, me, my bro. Oh,
What did you send to him?
nothing.
I know. What?
No, he didn't say nothing.
Then look
Cause look, Hayes. Oh! Look, I needed one, eh? Is that why you were saying my one was all puckered?
Yeah.
Yeah, now look.
Now I'm taking everything.
Yeah, wait, I thought. Hey.
Now you can put lots of cards on this.
Now can I have a look at your cards?
This is Happy Father's Day.
Oh,
Happy
Father's Day, yeah.
Look.
Oh.
And look. These are some things.
Hey.
This is a crow. And this is. And this. And see this?
Yep.
This I want to get this.
Hey.
And then I want.
Yep.
This is that.
What?
It's a. Nine.
Hey. What does the other side say, my bro? Today brings the perfect chance to say thank you for all you do. It means a lot. And have a wonderful day. My bro.
Dylan.
Thank you. Go read it to me, my bro.
Ted,
Ted,
I love you
from
from Hayden.
and have a super day. Love you, my boy.
Have a super day.
Huh?
Cheese.
Love you. Love you, Marley.
Love you, Dad.